We got a judge here in New Orleans facing removal. And there's a hearing over alleged lies about her military service. And there was a couple other things. Apparently, she called the police. Somebody broke into her car. She said they broke into her car in her driveway. But apparently, it happened up the road, which is completely stupid and absurd. And apparently, she's a judge on a higher court. And what do you guys think? Should a judge be held to a higher standard than to just get in office? I don't know if she stomped and claimed. Now, we've seen this before in the past with senators claiming and falsifying that there's some kind of war hero or they went to Vietnam or something stupid, right? And this is nothing new, but she's a judge and she's lying. She is hearing cases of people who lie to her. So, what do you think? Should she get a break? Should she get a pass? And I don't know. Let's see what's going on.
That 19th Judicial Court Judge Tiffany Foxworth Roberts pled her case before the 6 Supreme Court justices as the state's highest court. It is a latched effort to keep her job on the bench.
WAP was the only station from Baton Rouge that had cameras inside the courtroom in New Orleans. Riley Kramer reports.
Judge Tiffany Foxworth Roberts was not in court today, but we did hear from counsel representing her and the Judiciary Committee, who recommended that she be removed from the bench. Tiffany Foxworth Roberts is in a fight to keep her job after the Judiciary Committee recommended she be disrobed. She's accused of lying about her military service as a captain. She also allegedly misled police to think her car was broken into in her driveway when the burglary was actually 3 miles from her home. This happened in 2020 when she was campaigning for her spot as judge.
Why would she say it happened in her driveway? I don't even understand that. What's the big deal? What can somebody tell me that? What difference did it make? I mean, it doesn't matter where the car got broke into, right? But why would she say it was broken here when it was somewhere else? I mean, wouldn't they be able to find the perpetrator if they actually knew where the perpetrator might be still in the area over there, breaking into other people's car where it apparently occurred, but not in her driveway? I don't understand it.
According to the investigation into her actions.
You corrupt the process when you're not truthful with an entity charged with making sure that judges are meeting the ethical standards, the high ethical standards that we expect judges to meet.
Michelle Beatty is the special counsel for the Judiciary Committee. She told the justices Foxworth Roberts doubled down on the lies and showed a pattern of being dishonest.
Oh.
Justice Jay McCallum questioned why the Judiciary Committee wants to have Foxworth Roberts removed. He referenced Judge Ebony Johnson-Rose's misconduct behind the bench and the Judiciary Committee's response. Judge Johnson-Rose not only found someone guilty of a crime that didn't exist, but she also made other missteps while on the bench.
That judge, coming out of the same judicial district, I might add, got an 8-month paid vacation.
Your Honor, I just
how do we reconcile those two things? Did y'all just wake up or something, or what?
Beatty said Foxworth Roberts wasn't cooperating, which the committee noted. McCallum insinuated that had something to do with the recommended punishment.
I mean, every case is different, right? Every case is going to have a different set of facts. Yeah. Every case is going to have a different level of cooperation from the respondent judge.
And I guess that's...
So you can be incompetent and cooperate and everything's forgiven.
I don't think everything was forgiven in that case.
Well, that's a difference of opinion.
Justice Cade Cole says it's not the crime, but the cover-up, outlining that Foxworth Roberts should have clarified her military rank when asked under oath.
We're not talking about a person off the street. This is a lawyer and a judge, and they're being asked a question twice. You were in the Army and you were a captain. I would think any rational person would correct them, knowing that that's untrue.
Steve Irving, the lawyer for Judge Foxworth Roberts, said the attempts to disrobe her are extreme.
This is a case with a lot of summary conclusions, and the details show this is not a removal case.
In New Orleans, Riley Kramer, WAFB 9 News.
It's not a removal case. She's a judge in the highest court in Louisiana. What are you saying? She was asked a couple of times And she continued to lie? How can anybody trust her? She lies about that. She lied about her car. What else the hell is she going to lie about? Is she going to be an impartial judge? I think she should be removed. She's a judge. She needs to go. She needs to go. And let me know what you think. And there you go.